In a small rainy town in the UK, there lived a little girl named Emily who loved to paint. Her family didn't have much. Her father worked long hours in a factory, and her mother managed the home. Emily had no expensive tools, only a few old brushes and leftover colors from her school. But her imagination was so big that every blank canvas became a window to another world. When she showed her art to people in her town, some smiled politely, but most said, "It's just a hobby, not a future." Those words hurt, but Emily whispered to herself, "One day they will see." Every day after school, she painted for hours. Sometimes she forgot to eat, lost in her colors. Even when the UK weather was stormy, she painted by the window, smiling as raindrops tapped the glass. Years passed, and Emily's room filled with paintings, each one better than the last. But still nobody truly believed in her dream. Sometimes even she doubted herself. One day a teacher visited her home and was amazed by her art. The teacher said, "Emily, your work deserves to be in London." For the first time, someone outside her family believed in her. That belief gave her strength. Emily sent her artwork to a gallery in London. Weeks passed, and then came the letter that changed everything. Her paintings were accepted for an exhibition. Emily could hardly believe it. On the day of the exhibition, she entered the London gallery nervously, surrounded by strangers. But when people saw her paintings, they stopped, stared, and clapped with admiration. News spread quickly. Newspapers, TV, and social media told her story. Emily, once the little girl no one believed in, was now celebrated across the UK and beyond. Her journey proved that dreams are not silly, and happiness comes when you believe in yourself.